Okay, so last video of the day, we're going to talk about stropping. Stropping, I was going to show you plain stropping on just paper and cardboard. We've got denim metal polish. We've got stuff on a board, on a fiber board, and we've got diamond spray on leather. So we've got a burr. How do we know we have a burr? It won't shave in both directions. Okay. Shave in that direction. Oh, no, it's not shaving at all. So we got a big burr. Okay. So we want to get rid of that burr. All right. Another way to detect a burr is it'll cut in one direction. See how it's cutting in one direction? But it won't cut in the other. If I try to cut it this way, it's not gonna cut. Oh, it did cut. See, it's not cutting that way. It's just cutting paper. All right. So take your cardboard and just do trailing edge strokes. You can use abrasive. It's just some chromium oxide stuff like we've been using. The cardboard will work fine. Nothing wrong with plain stropping. So you can see stuff coming off of there. You see the dark stuff right there? Yeah. That's metal debris. And you can hear it too. You hear that burr? And so you see how it's getting darker up here? That's that metal coming off. So and again, you want to feel. Burr's almost gone. There's a little bit of a burr still here, so you can hear that clicking. Okay. Okay. Burr is a little bit left. You want to use a little bit of moderate pressure, not heavy pressure. You don't want to crush the apex. Then you do it the other side, other side, other side. And it sounds like we've got a good edge. Let's see. Yeah. There you go. Bee's knees. And then you can just do a little bit on here. This is a little bit of a finer surface. See if it'll shave. Yeah, it's shaving in both directions. So you got that. You can just use this method. You can use the Portland Knife House 1 micron diamond spray. Love this diamond spray. Love this stuff. This really gets a nice edge on things. You can just put it on leather. You can put it on just paper. You can put it on, pretty much any surface. Cardboard, wood, balsa wood, basswood. Doesn't matter. So just do a couple on there. Now it's push cutting. See that? Go from slicing to push cutting that quick. Both directions of the paper. All right. There you go. That's everything. That's stropping.